Welcome. Today I wanted to cover a really critical thing that has come out, so I'm kind of recording this video out of band. For those of you who might use this product called Perfect It, we found out recently that the new version of Office 2406 is actually going to break that add-in because of some changes coming in 2406. So I figured a lot of people probably didn't realize what you could do in the Office Apps Admin Center to kind of help with some of this. The really cool thing to be very aware of is that it really only helps you if you're on the monthly enterprise channel. Because you'll see here is right now we've actually paused the rollout, and I'm going to show you how you do that. So what you can do here is in the overview section, you go into tenant settings, and you'll see here we have an exclusion window. So you basically create an exclusion window like this. You say, okay, how long you want to pause it for. You say all devices, and you create it. So you can see here we have this pause. I just, did the same thing we already have going on. And you can even use exclusion groups if you want to let some groups update, but that's fine, no big deal. So once you've done that, what you're going to notice, and everyone always says, oh, current channel, we can use that. But this is something that you can only do with the monthly enterprise channel, because you're going to notice that when you go into your monthly enterprise channel, you can actually roll back devices, and you can even resume those updates that you paused. And you can see here, by pausing, it shows you the current, you can see, okay, 2404 is available, and it gives you a really good idea. So now when we go to the current channel, you'll see here, we'll notice that, okay, it's actually on 2406. But you cannot pause it, which is the really important thing to be aware of. And I'm going to take you even a step further that's really cool. So you can see here, I can see all my devices that are in here. But if I go into all devices, actually under inventory, if I go into all of my devices, you can actually switch the update channel from here, where you hit switch update channel. I'm going to select mech, and then I'm going to actually type in, whatever group I want to type in, and I can actually use this. It's going to tell me how many people are in there, and it allows me to move them to that new channel. And I wanted to just show you quickly how you could do this, because one, as I've been saying for a while, it's really important to be using MEC, because it seems like a lot of the really key functionality and stuff that really saves us is going to be in MEC. And two, just so you know to get ahead of this issue, because the way that vendors are telling you to handle this is just not the right way to do it. Thanks, and enjoy.